Hey guys, my name's Kelsey. I'm with Redfish Taco located in Redfish Village off 30A. And today I'm going to make for you a pineapple aloe margarita. So first what you're gonna do is you're gonna get some pineapple infused tequila. We infuse ours in-house. You're gonna do 2 ounces of that. You're gonna do half an ounce of pineapple juice, the fresher the better. You're gonna do 3 ounces of OKF pineapple aloe. It's delicious, it's perfect for the summer, nice and refreshing. I love this drink because it's so great when you're just getting off the beach and you need to cool down. It's a nice, sweet, good summer drink. And then you're gonna do half an ounce of simple syrup. Gonna give it all a nice little shake. And we at Redfish Taco like to rim our cups with sugar for this and garnish it with a fresh pineapple wedge and a lime. Pineapple aloe margarita. Cheers.
It's really good.